Hey guys, it's Waylon here, and welcome back to the 2D Project 1 game tutorial. You're watching episode 7 right now, so if this isn't the episode you're looking for, now's your time to go and find the right one. Alright, let's get started. So last episode, we went through and created a chest prefab, a health pack prefab, and scripted the two objects with the necessary functionality. In this episode, we're going to implement the player-side interactions so that the player has a way through which to interact with chests lying around the map. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up our player controller script and take a look. At the bottom, let's create a new region called Interact Functions. Inside the region, let's create the void function called interact. Now, there's a lot of ways through which we can script the interaction functionality. For example, we can have a Boolean check if hitboxes are overlapping, we can use some distance math, but we can also just use a very similar line of logic from the attack coroutine wherein we use raycasts. Let's write a list of raycast hit 2D called hits, where we do a physics 2D box cast taking our current player position plus the current direction as the origin. And then we can use a new vector 2 of 0.5 and 0.5 for the size. We can use an angle of 0, a direction of 0, and a distance of 0 as well. Next, for each raycast inside hits, we're going to see if we hit a chest. And we're going to do this with a quick if block that does a compare tag on the object we hit. And if we did hit a chest, we're going to call the chest's interact function. Alright, awesome. That takes care of the interact function. Let's go into our update function now and add an if block checking for a chest interact. In this case, we'll check if our input.getKeyDown is the key code of L. And if so, we're going to trigger an interaction check. So a common source of error on this section is not having your chest tagged properly. So make sure that your chest is tagged properly. Alright, that wraps it up for episode 7. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys for episode 8.